Welcome again. I haven't posted in like a whole month or something because I've been slacking hard, but I wanted to make a video with this palette. It's the first time, or just review this collection in general. I didn't get the whole thing, but I did get a lot of stuff. I wanted to recreate the look that they did for the campaign of this collection, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. I wanted to do the advertisement one with the blue that Katy and Desi both were wearing, so I'm going to first go in with basic. So I'm applying basic all over my eyelid, and I'm using the MAC 227 brush. It's just a big eye brush. And this is kind of a base, and also I'm using it as kind of like a mattifying and setting powder, just because I am very oily. So now that I've gotten that in, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics brush in the number 7. I actually dipped it because I almost forgot that I wanted to first use basic, but I'm going to be going into the color Necessary, which is this taupey brown. It's really nice for a transition shade, and I want to blow it out, so that's why I went with a big blending brush. As you can see, it's really huge. I'm going to be using a smaller brush. Okay, so I'm going to use the MAC 217, and I'm going to go into the color Churro and applying that on my crease as well to start warming it up and darkening it. And I'm going to be taking that color up kind of high since my lid is very small and I do want to have room to apply the blue color a moment. This palette is really nice. I noticed the other day whenever I used it. I'm going to go in with my MAC 224. Nothing on it, and I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay, so that's what that looks like blended out. I'm going to be using my MAC 219 pencil brush, and I'm gonna be going into the color Game Over, and I'll be applying this to my outer V, kind of halo-y, and also applying that to my inner. Let me zoom in. Going in with my BH Cosmetics brush from the Marble collection. This is the number 8. Here you have both brushes. The one that I used on Necessary, which is the number 7, and the one I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this brush it's going to be kind of hard because it is a shimmer, but I need to blend it out better. So taking it higher to create the halo space. So I kind of can't remember if they said it was better to get these with your fingers or brush, but I'm gonna do both. So going in with my clean finger, I'm going to go into a moment, and I just kind of want to show you guys this color. In the light it looks blue, but if I turn them off, I don't know how it looks on camera. It still looks blue to me on the camera, but in person it looks purple. It's so weird, like the reflex take over the purple. So pretty. And applying it to my lid, all between Game Over. So there it is, and you can see the purple reflex. It's so weird. I've never seen a color like it, so I do think it's really pretty. See, it's purple It's blue with purple reflex. It's so cool. And then it still looks like I have so much to go on my other eye. So here it goes. We'll see. Whoops. It does have fallout. As would be expected. So I'll be cleaning that up. I've cleaned up. I'm going to be going in with a clean beauty sponge and my Derma Blend so that this fallout isn't crazy. So this is what it looks like applied with the finger. But to clean it up and make sure that there's no skin showing through, I'm going to go over with my MAC 242 and patting that color on. And I'm gonna be really careful and using what's left over and taking that all the way to my inner corners, because in the picture it looks to me like they took it all the way in and then brightened it. And I think they did that with Just a Kiss. Not sure. Kind of just doing this as I go. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking it all the way in. I'm going to be going into Churro. I'm going to be going into the color Cheens once again. And smoking that out more and making it darker. And into Game Over. Yes. And applying that in my inner corner, darkening it up. Taking my BH Cosmetics number 10 pencil brush and going into Just a Kiss and applying that over a moment in my inner corner to see if it kind of brightens it up. So here's what that looks like. And I'm going to be dusting this away. I finished the eyes. I applied my lashes and I used the Madame Wispy by Coco Lashes. They're very inexpensive, so I love those. Now I'm going to first apply glosses. So I got both over the top and the most. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cool. Then I got the new highlighter. This one is Chasing the Sun. I didn't get Fuego last time and I didn't get it this time either. It looks like it's a little light. Okay, so this is the most, and it has like a purple iridescence to it. I don't know if the camera is catching it, but it is very beautiful. Here is over the top, which I'm sure many of you have seen before. Here's the packaging. So excuse my hair tie mark, but here's over the top and here's the most. So last but not least, well, not really, because I still have to do my highlighter. So the only lipstick I got was, this is the packaging for the liquid lipsticks, and I only got the color, I only got a Mauve Story. I don't even know if that focused. Looks like this. In this collection, I thought they were all too similar, so it was nothing that I was really excited about personally. But I did get a Mauve Story because I love mauves, and it was a nude mauve, which is really weird. So I was like, hey. And I really like the packaging, so I wanted at least one in this packaging. I think for my skin tone I would definitely need a Nude For Me lip liner before applying this. But I wanted to show what it looks like on its own. Okay, so that is a mauve story on my skin tone. And then here is the highlighter, which is such pretty packaging, and it's the first time that I get anything like this. So I didn't get their last collection, so it's the first time that I see it. Okay, this is Chasing the Sun. I'm going to be applying this highlight with my BH Cosmetics number 5 brush from the Marble collection. I love this brush for highlight. I don't know what it's meant to be for, but that's what I like it for. So here is a swatch. That is so pretty. Yep. So since it is golden, I think this should be good. I usually do my whole face and then my lip last, but I didn't do that, so now it's kind of over my lipstick. But it should be fine. Just apply it again. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, tutorial / review. The review is, or the tea is, that I really like this palette. Honestly, it did exceed my expectations. Like, it was so weird when I swatched the Just a Kiss. I was shocked. I didn't expect it to be so pigmented. I guess because they said it was called Just a Kiss because it's just like a touch of something in the middle of all these colors. But no. No. Okay, so here's Just a Kiss. Gosh, okay, this is why I didn't think much of it. See, because I saw it on camera and it washes it out. But honestly, when I applied it to my inner corner, I was like, whoa. But I think it's really pretty. See, this is basically a nude palette. These two, they're like nothing crazy. That's why it's so pretty though, because you can do anything really. If you want just an everyday look, and then you want to add a pop. You know, you have your transitions. I don't know. So, yeah. I will be making more videos with this, you know, this palette. I don't even know what to say. I mean, that's just all there is to it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.